Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete newbie, we've got the step-by-step guide to kickstart your stock market journey today. Now, if you've ever felt like the stock market is some mysterious financial realm, it is. We'll break down some important terms and more so you can be on your way to buying your first stock today. Hi, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Kevin. I'm an artist and content creator based out of the US, and on this channel, we explore strategies and tools to help us live happier, healthier, and more fulfilling lives. But before we could do that, we need to know what a stock is. Think of a stock as a slice of ownership in a company. When you own a stock, you're a shareholder. This entitles you to a portion of the company's profits, right? Normally in the form of dividends, and you get to have a say in some of the company's decisions. Dividends are a portion of that company's profits that it shares with its shareholders. If you own shares in a company, you may receive dividends as a way to get you a share of the company's earnings. Companies typically distribute these dividends regularly, providing investors with a potential source of income. With the right stock picks, you could set yourself up for passive income, growing more each year as you invest those dividends into new shares, all while compound interest is working its magic for you. Compound interest is a powerful concept in finance. It allows your money to grow over time. It is the interest earned not only on the initial amount invested, but also on the accumulated interest from previous periods. The longer you hold, the more money you will make. So where do you buy stocks? Think of the stock market as a massive marketplace. Companies list their share prices and investors buy and sell them. Essentially a hub where people trade ownership in companies. For us to buy into this marketplace, we need to select a brokerage or a middleman and sign up. I use Robinhood, but feel welcome to choose any brokerage of your preference. Affiliate links will be in the description for Robinhood and Webull if you'd like to get some free stocks when signing up. A brokerage is a place where you can buy and sell stocks and other investments, such as cryptocurrency, stocks, index funds, and facilitates buyers like us to buy and sell shares from the stock market. Now, before buying our first share, we'll need to verify our identity and deposit some funds. Next, we'll need to figure out what we want to achieve. For example, are you planning for a big purchase or saving for retirement? Clarifying your goals will help you determine an investment strategy that works for you while building a foundation for your stock portfolio in the long term. Whether you're saving for retirement or building generational wealth, understanding dividends and compound interest is like having a secret weapon in your financial arsenal for the rest of your life. Stocks might be the first of many assets you will build in your lifetime, after all. Quick side note, many have gotten rich of their investments fairly quickly, but the purpose of this video is to inhibit lifelong investing habits that will ensure you're buying assets and have the knowledge to start your journey today. There are hundreds of stocks to choose from. What I personally do is I invest into index funds. Think of a stock as an egg. It is one of the simplest ways to diversify your investments, all while protecting yourself. If a few companies in the index fund have a bad year, the overall investment can still hold up if the rest are doing well. Remember, diversification never hurt anybody. Cool. With the basics established, we can now select one of the many stocks and hit buy. There will be a few options. You can buy a whole share or fractional shares. A whole share price is always going to be determined at the time you're buying. If you only have $25 but Apple is $50, you can still buy Apple just as a fractional share, meaning that you will owe $25 of that, or in this case, half a share. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, and this information is for educational purposes only. Investing involves risk, so do your own research and speak to a professional before making any big financial decisions. This content isn't financial advice or a recommendation to buy and sell any securities. Always conduct your due diligence and consider your financial situation and only invest what you can lose. Now, before we conclude, a quick note. If you're eager to explore more about investing, consider additional resources like books, online courses, and financial news. They can provide valuable insights and complement what we've covered here today. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to finances. Also, subscribe for more content like this, and if you want to hear more about the dividend snowball effect, click here.